Hey guys, today I'm working with a Whirlpool Gold Series double door, they call it a French door refrigerator, with the bottom freezer here. And it's in excellent shape. It's actually pretty much in like new condition. Before I go fanning the doors, I'm going to show you that the temperature is perfect on it. Now I've got it set to its coldest setting, so it's going to be pretty cold. Typically you wouldn't set it near this cold. But you can see right now it's showing about 63 degrees on the outside. In between those two red dots is where you're going to see your temperature measurements. We'll go ahead and open this up. Shoot this right inside. It's about 37 on top. 33, 34 on the bottom. Nice and cold. And I've got both of them set up top there. You can see to its coldest setting. And it recommends only like a 4. I think so. Typically you wouldn't have it set quite that cold, but I always do it full blast just so that you can see everything works perfect. We've got some information there, 22 cubic feet. You can pause and read that if you want, and then we also have this tag up here. All these drawers work. Everything, like I said, is in excellent shape. Nothing's broken or cracked or anything like that. You've got a can dispenser here, so you can put your cans in. Just pull cans straight out there. This guy up here, everything works, and these are all adjustable. On the bottom, you've got plenty of room to store your frozen goods. Let me shoot that temperature for you. You see, nice and cold down there as well. That's a negative between like 6 and 4, looks like. And of course you got, if I can get it here, ice maker there. You just turn that on and hook your water up to the back of the refrigerator, and then you'll have ice as well. So you can see everything works there. Everything works good. All you have to do here is you would set your temperature just up and down. I mean, it's pretty simple, pretty basic, lots of space, nice and clean, like new condition. And I do these videos so that you can see everything works perfect. Get kind of a hands-on feel for it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks.